Papako TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
In Pempenso, you better answer afre. His Excellency John Mani Mahama, Ninem Sydney, a war, Akuapem North. In Tinaches, I open Akuapem North. Now, all your president, a Waha, your friend, Municipal Chief Executive, Honorable John Evans Kumuji. Now, ordinary the same. Apa, Mumaya wants a mokese, it's a mokese, it's a mokese.
Ansana, Metria, Mekazana, Nananum, Dedikai, Mangoase mine. Any ebusian four, Yeshim Wahina. Medichalpa, any kind. The son is a member of Mendeso. Now the attorney say, young former municipal chief executive. Pempri because I minister, Honorable Opariado. Nema me Adam Benguso. Inti aye ochina Yakopeni Krabre, inti omanpenyin Eriba. Estro hontile jumadina dos wo yenso tina nanom na yahwe se yebehihye bibia kama asana omanpenyin abedu. Inti no mesre se mudi kan trase asana chief executive bedu ha. Mejedi se yeye ni nyire wie na nema kofema medi membreso na menemu aye de se yeye pepepe iti madam ase nana Mangoase hene ene nitimemufo aban be you know nema bebiri wo ha eye Akuapem North Municipal Assembly omo chiche the national cake no kakra Mangoase fo Nswenya na pese me boss te hu ansana ma come speech no so na nana o hwe bebe atwe mu no na yenkwan adoso Mangoase tinkon na nye so aban sisa pepepe adwumadere koso na yehwe inner rules e wo Mangoase ha edoso so na contractor na yese on hwe ntisi ma yekasa yi mene na kasa nkomodere koso ayehwe se odu ho a inner roads no obehwe ni nyina aye ne fefefe amaye eni twemu no baby ejina ya Mangoase market eno so ehye da ho se yebehwe se sa fans ne ya available pepepe na hwe se market yi no yebehwe na ya hyemu kena na Mangoase fo so start e de omudwa awo omo Mangoase hobium yahwe no na yenim se yen ayewo nkronkito am se yen kane ahonsam because contractor no wo okotom any Tandakro area many almost that say umbewie no yen kura wa se ankete no omo nya extension of electricity and so e be hwe se sa afo no beba na ma beboa na yen grow aka no omo so omanya electricity amai na aye nsu honsam boreholes also aban abasa across the municipal so yen two boreholes ema ye manfo enti Mangoase enen impeswa so enti bera mobenya mechanized borehole awo Mangoase ho akanyama aban de bremu no ho eni twemu no afi ebesimu so yebehwe se eye Arabic school was here so the 6-unit classroom block no so yebehwe se schools are ABC work Akuapem North no you say 6-unit classroom block no so eguso a yeye hu krata e ba BC school da no so ama Mangoase fo kama na metua me speech no so nananom Mr. Chairman honorable member of parliament Mr. Bibidu na wabako yeda na se so by young honorable presiding member Nana Esiedo Fair, Nananum, distinguished farmers and fisher folks, honorable assembly members, heads of departments and agencies, members of the security service, religious leaders, the clergy, invited guests, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor and a deep personal privilege to stand before you on this special occasion as we celebrate the 2025 National Farmers Day in the Akuapem North Municipality. This is my first Farmers' Day celebration since I was inaugurated into the office as the Chief Executive. And I am sincerely grateful for the patriotic support, goodwill, cooperation you have shown me and the Assembly since I assumed office. Today is not just a ceremony. It is a moment of honor, sacrifice, resilience, and devotion. Our first through unpredictable weather, limited resources, and many environmental pressures. Yet we continue to carry the nation on their shoulders. Because of your hard work, Ghana eats, Ghana trees, and Ghana survives. Akuapem North is truly blessed with farmers whose dedication has become the heartbeat of our municipality. Your farms feed our homes, sustain our markets, and strengthen our local economy. Today, we say Ayiko to you all. Mr. Chairman, once again, this year's theme, Feed Ghana, Eat Ghana, Secure the Future, is a national call of action. It reminds us that agriculture remains the backbone of our development and the source of our food security and national stability. To feed Ghana means strengthening agricultural systems, improving input, and delivering practical support to farmers. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past years, the Assembly through the Department of Agriculture has supported farmers with improved seeds, fertilizers, and constant technical assistance from our hard-working extension officers. Mr. Chairman, in September 2025, 4 small agro-processors from Akuapem North participated in the Asian Commodity Satellite Market Fair in Koforidua. They exhibited innovative products such as fortified gari, dry catfish, coffee step bags, and mushroom-based foods. Their participation connected them to buyers and helped them receive guidance from regulatory bodies to prepare the larger market and even export opportunities. The government's Feed Ghana program continues to progress across the country. The program seeks to increase national food production and raw materials for agro-processing industry. As part of this year's initiative, 50 farmers service centers will be established nationwide in 2026 to provide seeds, fertilizers, mechanization service, extension support, and timely market information. Already, 77 farmers-based organizations in Akuapem North have been registered on the Ministry of Food and Agriculture digital platform. Our municipality will also receive 10,000 Nkoko Ketenkete bags for distribution to 200 households to enhance nutrition and household income. Enti obiara njere ne ho say Nkoko Ketenkete agenda no e ade a ereba so. Efie bia benya ne de enti mo ye mo Nkoko go ready. Furthermore, under the alternative livelihood project, over 33,000 oil palm seedlings and 1,500 coconut seedlings were distributed to farmers to restore degraded lands and create sustainable income. In all, 244 farmers benefited and now have expanded opportunities for economic growth. The Assembly also collaborated with Cosmos Innovation Center to train 160 young women in maize production, pastries, and soap making. In addition, 55 women from parent support groups of persons with disability were trained by the Presbyterian Relief Service in vegetable farming, mushroom production, snail rearing, and catfish farming. This initiative empower women and promote inclusive economic participation. Ladies and gentlemen, to secure the future, we must protect the environment, improve storage, support processing, and expand market access. We are intensifying bushfire prevention campaign, tree planting, and river protection. We are also encouraging farmers to form cooperatives to help them access credit, negotiate better prices, and reduce production costs. Technology and digital tools are gradually being introduced for weather updates, market information, and farm records. Ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate our award-winning farmers. Congratulations to all of you from your outstanding performance. Your excellence inspires the municipality and the entire nation. To all other farmers, your work is equally valid, and we encourage you to continue striving for higher achievements. We are grateful to the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, our extension officers, traditional authorities, NGOs, market queens, assembly members, security service, and the media for their unending support. Let us continue to stand with our farmers, promote Ghanaian food, protect our environment, and encourage innovation together. We can truly feed Ghana, eat Ghana, and secure the future. Ekwafo, Ayiko, Nyame Shra, Akuapem North Municipality, Nyame Shra, Oman Ghana, Medamase, Bebe.
Papako TV. Experience the thrill of TV.